Hi, and welcome to the Law Bible. I'm George Washington. I'm the #1 bobblehead here, and I'm going to be speaking on behalf of the American people in a moment. So I want you to get it down. I want you to understand where I'm coming from, and I'm talking about the show. We're going to be discussing live things that matter in your life. We don't mess around. We say it the way it is, and that's how we do it. So I've got all my homies here. You can see everybody bobbled in. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, say hello, everyone. Yeah, everyone's saying hello. Yeah, check everyone out. Okay, now that we're all here, I want to say something. You want to say something, do you? Well, you can only say something when you're a red caller and you're asked to. This trustee base is just driving me nuts, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Okay. Now, back to what I was saying. We're going to stay on point here. We're not going to get distracted. Get off the goddamn desk, would you, Samuel? What the hell's going on? Hey, Thomas, can you tell Samuel to get off the damn desk? I know it's pissing everybody off. I mean, everybody's pissed off around here because Samuel, you just won't stay off the fucking desk long enough for us to do the damn show. And I'm trying to get this show done, and I got Samuel up on the goddamn desk. You got to cut home. You got to come back. We want to see more. We're going to discuss the law. We want everybody to be here. We're going to speak for the people. As soon as we can get Sam off the goddamn desk, we're going to come back. And damn it, we're going to have our days. All those goddamn people out there. Stop bugging and go home and enjoy the weekend. God damn, they're everywhere. They're coming out of the seams. Okay, we better get this damn Constitution in order. I'll see you guys next time on Law Bible. And don't forget to vote for us. And give us a little goddamn money already. It's your future. It's your Constitution. We need your help.